been so sinful. It's not hard to comprehend the coming to an end of a relationship. I've got too much in my head that I can't get out, and you're mad at me. It's simple, but I don't need more time, I'm still waiting.